This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about a liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Mix it with water and wipe the window frames. Forget about yellow stains. From now on, your windows will be the whitest on the block. Grab a bowl and pour in a liter of warm water. Take some baking soda or baking powder from your kitchen cupboard and add it to the water. It's a great, natural whitener that works perfectly on plastic surfaces. Add a bit of dish soap, too. It cuts through grease and lifts dirt easily. Mix everything together. Then I take a sponge and simply wipe the frames. No scrubbing, no effort. The baking soda gently whitens and removes old stains. This trick not only cleans, but also protects the frames from future buildup. I wash them once, and they stay clean for a long time. Try it, and see how your window frames become snow white again. It's such a simple hack, yet it works better than expensive store-bought cleaners. No more yellow spots. Just a clean, bright finish thanks to a mix of 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Your neighbors will definitely start asking what you use to clean your windows. And then you can share the secret to brilliantly white frames that last for years. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. The floor will smell wonderful and help protect your home from insects. You just need to make a natural floor cleaner. It's quick to prepare and completely chemical-free. Thanks to its ingredients, your floor will not only shine, but also be disinfected. Prepare a bucket with a mop. Grab a handful of lavender. Use fresh lavender heads if you have some in your garden or home, or use dried lavender. Lavender adds a pleasant scent that repels insects like flies, ants, gnats, and mosquitoes. Pour 2 cups of warm water into a container. Then add ½ cup of vinegar, a natural cleaner and disinfectant that kills mold spores and polishes wooden surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove tougher dirt. Toss the lavender into the mixture. Stir everything well, then strain it through a fine sieve to remove flour bits. Pour the ready cleaner into the bucket with water. Dip your mop in and start cleaning while enjoying the fresh scent of lavender. This cleaner is eco-friendly and safe for the environment. If you use this recipe regularly, your home will stay fresh and insect-free. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased. Put the lemons in a bowl and step on them to release every drop of juice. My feet even get a moment of relaxation from it. Then, sprinkle everything with baking soda and pour in hot water. Dip the mop and let the ingredients blend. Mop the floors thoroughly. This mixture leaves the floor not only perfectly clean, but beautifully refreshed with a citrusy lemon aroma that makes you want to walk on it barefoot. Keep parchment paper in the bathroom. Its use is not only surprising, but most importantly, it works. This trick will help you quickly and efficiently clean your bathroom. Use regular parchment paper to polish the metal elements in your bathroom. This method leaves no streaks and effectively removes dirt from surfaces. You'll quickly notice how clean the surfaces become. The sink and silver bathroom fixtures will shine like never before. It's a simple, fast, and cheap method, and its results are truly surprising. It removes 83% of mold and fungus types from grout. This natural cleaning solution is cheap and effective. The silicone will look like new. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. They contain natural citric acid, which acts as a mild antifungal and antibacterial agent. It can inhibit mold growth. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the juice and mix well. Pour the entire mixture into a spray bottle. The most important part is how you use the mixture. Spray it on the grout and silicone where mold has appeared. Then, do not wipe it off. Cover it with plastic wrap. This will strengthen and speed up the effect. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and wipe with a sponge. The salt will help mechanically remove the mold. This is a completely natural and safe method for cleaning the shower. I repeat this process every 2 weeks. Pour liquid on the bag. The effect is shocking. Take a regular plastic bag and pour a bleach-based detergent on it. Then add some dishwasher rinse aid. Now, use this mixture to clean the silver elements in your bathroom. This combination works wonders, making silver surfaces shine effortlessly. Cleaning your bathroom has never been this easy.